Hi guys, it's Sharon here from Spice It Up, and I've made a lovely ackee and plantain stir fry for you today. Stay tuned for the recipe. So we have our plantain, we have some mushrooms and garlic, some red onions, green onions, thyme, red and yellow peppers. We have some ackee that I had in the freezer, and we have some leftover Sunday rice and peas, and we have some seasoning. We're going to put a bit of jerk in there and some coconut milk, and I think that's about it. And I'm going to use my sesame oil to fry in so we can give it a lovely taste. In with a couple of tablespoons of sesame oil, and I'm going to fry the plantain with that. Okay. Give it a slightly different taste, nutty flavour. Okay, so turn the plantain, and as you can see the lovely golden brown. I'm going to now add the mushrooms. So the plantain's cooked, I'm going to take those out. I'm just drying off the excess moisture from these mushrooms. I'm going to now add the peppers, and the heat is medium to high. I'm going to drive off all that liquid. I don't want all that in there, it will just burn too much otherwise. Peppers in. I'm going to now add the onions to that. Right, so we're ready to add the garlic. We don't want to add this too early because we don't want it to burn. And we're going to add the thyme as well. A little bit of thyme in there. I'm just finishing frying this up. It's been cooking for about 4 minutes, and if you have a look, you can see now, nice and dry. Okay, so at this point, I'm now going to add my rice and peas. Okay, and the fire is still quite high. Alright. I'm going to also add my spices, so a little bit of jerk marinade is going to go into the mixture. Let that mix. Looking good already, I think. Okay, so I'm going to now add a little bit of coconut milk. Okay, not too much. You want that nice Caribbean flavour in there. You don't want dry rice. Okay, so I'm going to add some light tahini to the mixture. Because I think it will give it a lovely taste. So I'll add it a little bit there. Kind of peanutty kind of flavour. I don't like peanut butter, but I don't mind tahini. It's quite nice. Put that in, and then we're going to put the plantains back in there. be steaming, because then it will be mushy. Okay. It's getting a bit hot. You've got to reheat that rice. Then we're going to add the ackee in a minute. To make sure this is hot all the way through. We don't want to break up the ackee too much when it goes in. I'm just going to taste it, see how it tastes so far. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit more coconut milk, a little bit dry. I want to create a nice sauce. Okay. Seasonings right, everything's fine. I'm just going to add the ackee, and I'm going to be careful not to break this up too much. I'm going to shake the pan, put everything in. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper to that. And I think we'll add a little bit of pimento powder. There we go. Alright, I think we're nearly done. Okay, so this is a lovely recipe to use up your leftover rice, any vegetables that got a little bit soft. You could use them up with peppers, onions. You could put peas in there, you could put sweet corn, whatever you like really, to make it your stir fry. So I think it's almost ready. It's going to dish up. That lovely colour. Beautiful colour of the ackee, the peppers in there. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. That's beautiful. Wonderful. There we are. Beautiful ackee stir fry. Now for the taste test. Let's have a look what we do. Pepper, plantain, mushroom, rice. This is it. Beautiful ackee with rice and peas, everything all together. It's lovely. That's good. That's really good. This is amazing. I hope you do try it, and if you do, let me know in the comments below. Please like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you the next time.